Hello everyone, welcome to the City of English. This is your friend Jack. I'm really happy to see you here today. If you want to speak English confidently, clearly, and naturally in real life, you are in the right place. This channel is not about boring grammar rules. This channel is about real-life English, the English you actually use every single day. Here, we learn English like we learn a language naturally, by listening, speaking, repeating, and practicing. So whether you are a beginner or already know some English, this channel will help you become a confident English speaker. Today's topic is very important: how to improve your English speaking skills every day. Let's begin. Why daily practice matters? Let me ask you a simple question. Do you want to speak English fluently? Of course you do. But here's the truth. You don't need talent. You don't need expensive courses. You don't even need perfect grammar. What you really need is daily practice. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day can change your life. Think about it. If you practice English a little bit every day, after 30 days, after 60 days, after 90 days, you will see a huge difference. English is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So the first rule is simple. Practice every day. No excuses. Think in English. Most people make one big mistake. They think in their native language and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, try this. Start thinking in English. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, "Good morning, I need to brush my teeth." When you are eating, "This food is delicious." When you are walking, "I am going to the market." Simple sentences. No pressure, no fear. This is how your brain starts learning naturally. Speak out loud. Don't just learn English, speak English. Many people understand English but cannot speak. Why? Because they don't practice speaking. So from today, do this. Speak to yourself. Yes, it may feel funny, but it works. Talk about your day. I woke up at 8 a.m. I had breakfast. I am feeling good today. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak while walking. Speak anytime you can. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Listen every day. If you want to speak well, you must listen more. Listening helps you learn pronunciation, sentence structure, natural expressions. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, watch movies. And here's a powerful method: shadowing practice. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately. Example, I am learning English every day. Repeat, I am learning English every day. Again, I am learning English every day. This builds fluency fast. Learn simple sentences. You don't need big vocabulary. Start with simple sentences. For example, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am working. Where are you going? Use these sentences in real life. Practice them again and again. Fluency comes from repetition. Don't fear mistakes. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are good. Yes, mistakes mean you are learning. If you wait to speak perfect English, you will never speak. Even native speakers make mistakes, so don't be afraid. Speak anyway. Say it wrong, correct it later. Confidence comes first, perfection comes later. Use English in real life. English is not just a subject, it's a tool. Use it in real situations. For example, at a shop. How much is this? With a friend. Let's go outside. On the phone. I will call you later. Start small. Use English in daily life. This builds real confidence. Repetition is the key. If you want to improve fast, repeat everything. Listen, repeat, speak. Again and again. For example, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Repetition builds fluency. This is how children learn language, and you can do the same. Create a daily routine. Here's a simple daily routine. Morning, think in English. Afternoon, speak simple sentences. Evening, listen to English content. Night, repeat what you learned. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily. Consistency is more important than time. Stay motivated. Learning English is a journey. Some days you will feel good, some days you will feel slow. That's normal. Don't stop. Remember your goal. Why do you want to learn English? Better job, better communication, travel, confidence. Keep going. You can do it.
He always wanted to speak English, but every time he tried, people laughed. So he stopped trying. One day, he made a decision. He said, "I don't care what people think. I will practice every day." He started small, just 5 minutes a day. He spoke to himself, he listened to English videos, he repeated simple sentences. Day by day, week by week, something changed. After 3 months, he could speak simple English. After 6 months, he could have conversations. After 1 year, he became confident. So what changed? Not talent, not money, just daily practice. Now, think about yourself. If Rahim can do it, why can't you? Build your speaking habit. Success is not about doing big things. It's about doing small things consistently. Here's a simple habit system. Every day, follow this rule. Speak 5 minutes, listen 5 minutes, repeat 5 minutes. That's it. Only 15 minutes. No pressure. But do it every day. No skipping. Even if you feel lazy, do it anyway, because discipline creates results. Daily speaking practice. Now let's practice together. I will say a sentence, you repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I practice every day. I practice every day. I am improving slowly. I am improving slowly. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I can speak English. I can speak English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will not give up. I will not give up. Very good. Let's continue. I wake up early. I wake up early. I drink water. I drink water. I go to work. I go to work. I talk to people. I talk to people. I learn new words. I learn new words. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. How to remember words easily. Many people say, "Jack, I forget words." That's normal. Here's a solution. Don't memorize words. Use words. For example, word happy. Make sentences. I am happy. I feel happy today. This makes me happy. Use the word in real life. That's how you remember. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Let me be honest with you. Perfect English is not necessary. Communication is important. If people understand you, you are successful. For example, wrong, he go market yesterday. Correct, he went to the market yesterday. Even if you say the wrong sentence, people understand. So don't stop. Keep speaking. Fluency first, accuracy later. Speak like real people. Textbook English is different. Real English is simple. Instead of saying, "I would like to inquire about your availability," say, "Are you free?" Simple, natural, real. Learn how real people speak. That's what we do in this channel. Shadowing practice. Let's do shadowing again. Listen carefully and repeat fast. I want to improve my English. Repeat. I practice every single day. Repeat. I speak with confidence. Repeat. I am getting better and better. Repeat. Again, faster. I want to improve my English. I practice every single day. I speak with confidence. I am getting better and better. Excellent. Talk to yourself daily. This is one of the most powerful techniques. Talk to yourself in English. Example, what am I doing now? I am sitting. I am watching a video. I am learning English. No partner needed. You are your own teacher. Your 30-day challenge. I have a challenge for you. 30 days. Every day, speak English, listen to English, repeat English. No excuses. After 30 days, you will see a big difference. Write in the comments, I accept the 30-day challenge. Final motivation. My friend, you are not too late. You are not too weak. You are not too bad. You are just one decision away. One decision to start. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Small progress is still progress. If this video helped you, if you feel motivated, if you want to speak English confidently, subscribe to the City of English. Like this video, share with your friends, and comment below, I will speak English every day. Because when you say it, you believe it. And when you believe it, you achieve it. This is Jack. I believe in you, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, speak more, fear less, practice daily, and become the best version of yourself. Goodbye.